Want to celebrate Christmas with rich color, culture, and heartfelt tradition? Mexican Christmas decor blends faith, festivity, and family in the most beautiful ways. From papel picado to poinsettias, every element tells a story. Let's explore how to bring that spirit to life in your home this season. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What table decorations fit the theme? Use a bright woven runner, clay dishes, and colorful napkins. Add candles and glass holders, poinsettia centerpieces, and perhaps a small piñata for fun and flair. Dining with culture? Like this if your table tells a holiday story. What's a unique outdoor display idea? Line walkways with luminarias, hang papel picado on fences, and place clay pots with poinsettias. Add bold lights or a rustic nativity for an authentic outdoor touch. Porch ready to party? Like this if your yard glows with tradition. What's a great mantle or shelf setup? Layer vibrant garlands, candle holders, and small nativity pieces. Add papel picado banners, rustic stars, or mini piñatas to bring texture and color to the space. Shelves full of cheer? Like this if your mantle glows with tradition. What lighting fits a Mexican Christmas theme? Use colorful string lights, glowing lanterns, or luminarias. Paper bags with candles inside for a soft, spiritual glow that honors both celebration and reflection. Lighting with soul? Like this if your lights feel festive and sacred. What kind of Christmas tree reflects this style? Decorate a green tree with colorful ribbons, clay ornaments, handmade garlands, and lights in bold colors. Top it with a star sombrero or even a bright floral crown. Tree full of tradition? Like this if yours shines with Mexican spirit. How do I style a Mexican-inspired nativity scene? Use a traditional nacimiento set with figurines of Mary, Joseph, baby Jesus, animals, and even village people. Display it prominently. Many families expand theirs yearly. Nativity with heart? Like this if your setup honors the season's meaning. How do I set the tone for Mexican Christmas decor? Start with vibrant colors: red, green, yellow, and bright pink. Mix handmade textures, cultural symbols, and natural accents to create a space full of warmth and joy. Festive from the start? Like this if your color palette pops with tradition. How do I keep the space respectful yet joyful? Blend celebration with tradition. Include spiritual symbols like nativities or stars, but balance them with joyful elements like color, music, and family photos. Heartfelt and happy? Like this if your space honors both spirit and joy. How can I decorate with piñatas? Use mini piñatas as ornaments or table accents. Hang a larger star-shaped piñata as a centerpiece or above the front porch to welcome guests with cheer and color. Piñatas with purpose, like this if they bring fun to your decor. Can I use papel picado for Christmas? Yes. Hang Christmas-themed papel picado across walls, windows, or the ceiling. Use designs with nativity scenes, doves, or stars for a festive and cultural display. Paper with purpose? Like this if your home flutters with festivity. Can I incorporate poinsettias into my decor? Absolutely. Use real or faux poinsettias throughout the home, in vases, wreaths, or on the table. Their red blooms are a classic and meaningful holiday symbol in Mexico. Blooms of the season? Like this if poinsettias brighten your space. Are there DIY crafts that reflect this theme? Yes, make paper poinsettias, painted ornaments, or hand-cut papel picado. Kids can help create garlands, star lanterns, or small decorative piñatas for fun family time. Crafting culture at home? Like this if your hands are making memories. Mexican Christmas decor is more than decoration. It's storytelling through color, faith, and family. Whether it's papel picado or poinsettias, every detail brings life to your space. Celebrate the season with heart, heritage, and happiness. Feeling inspired? Like and come back for more meaningful holiday ideas.